Dear students, in today's class, it is chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Last class we learned about same chapter, and in that topic we discussed about multiple. Before that we discussed about what? Factors, common factor and then highest common factor. And last class we learned about only multiples, and in that class we wrote there two important points. The first one was what? Do you know what was the first one? The first one point is known each number is the multiple of itself. हर कोई नंबर अपने आप का मल्टीपल होता है. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट इज देयर इज नो एंड ऑफ मल्टीपल. मल्टीपल का कोई एंड नहीं है. इट्स मीन मल्टीपल्स आर अनलिमिटेड, मीन्स देयर इज नो लिमिट ऑफ मल्टीपल्स. नाउ इन टुडेज क्लास व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न हियर? टुडेज क्लास वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट हियर कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. Dear students, as you know, we learn about the common factor. Same way we have to learn here about common multiples. अब हमें यहाँ पर common multiples के बारे में पढ़ना है. So what is meant by common multiples? तो बच्चों, जो भी नंबर दिए होते हैं 2 नंबर और 3 नंबर्स, उनकी जो मल्टीपल्स की लिस्ट बनेगी, उस मल्टीपल की लिस्ट में से ऐसे मल्टीपल्स हमें पिकअप करने, फाइंड आउट करने हैं कि दोज आर अवेलेबल इन व्हाट? दोज आर गिवन इन both list. So such multiple we have to find out, and then such multiple are called common multiples. So see, multiples of 8. So what is question beta? Write the first 12 multiples of following number. अब हमें यहाँ पर कुछ नंबर के 12 multiples लिखते हैं. बेटा why only 12? No, it is not compulsory to find out only 12. We can write 15, we can write 10, we can write 5 also. So whatever you want that you can write, but particular number should be there, and up to that number we have to find out, and then we have to find out what are the common multiples of that 2 number or 3 numbers. Okay, so for example it is right first 12 multiples. Now in this example we are going to find out the first 12 multiples of 8 and 12. अब हम यहाँ पर 8 and 12 के फर्स्ट मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फर्स्ट 12 मल्टीपल्स. So what are the first 12 multiples of 8 and 12? So see, first of all, multiples of 8. Now make the list of the first 12 multiples of 8. See, it is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Then 64, 72, 80, 88 and 96. Okay? 88, 96. So see, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, dash. Okay? So these are the what? 12 multiples of 8. Now, multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. Now what are the multiples of 12? अब 12 के multiples लिखेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर. See, it is 12, 24, 36, 72, then 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 हुआ. यहाँ थोड़ा सा गलती हुआ है, देखिए या बीच में छूट गई थी कुछ. 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. Okay, 144. So these are the what multiples of 12. Now when you make a list of these two here, the list of the both multiples are available here. Then from these two lists we have to find out common multiples. So see, common multiples of 8 and 12. Now see what are the common multiples of 8 and 12. See, 8 is here, not here. See here 16, not here. 24 is here, 24 is here also. So 24 is common multiple of 8 and 12. Next, see, it is 48, again 48. See next, 72, it is 72. Then 96, again it is 96. So see, 24, 48, 72, 96. These are the common multiples of 8 and 12. These are the common multiple of 8 and 12. तो बच्चों जैसे हमने फैक्टर्स में लिखते थे कि 24, 48, 72 and 96, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पर आई डिड नॉट राइट हियर and 96, यहाँ पर and नहीं लिखा बेटा. क्यों? Why? Because 96 is not last multiple, last common multiple. 96 is not last common multiple of this 8 and 12. क्योंकि when you will extend this list of the multiple of 8 and 12, अगर आप इस लिस्ट को एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो यू कैन गेट सम मोर मल्टीपल एज अ कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 8 and 12. आपको और कुछ मल्टीपल आपको कॉमन मल्टीपल के तौर पर मिल सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई दिस 96 इज नॉट लास्ट मल्टीपल. सो आई डिड नॉट राइट हियर and only I write each common multiple by putting comma and then finally I mention here and then put here that like that means there are so many other common multiple after 96. So this is example 1. Now come to next example. See, it is number 3 and 9. So first of all we have to make a list of multiples of 3. हम क्या करेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर आज पहले हम लिस्ट करेंगे मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 की. ओके, सी नाउ मेक द लिस्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. क्या होगा? 3, 6, 9, 12, 50, 80, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. कोई और एक छूट गया देखो यहाँ पर. क्या छूटा बेटा? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, then 24, then next 27, 30, 33, 36. Okay, so these are the multiples of 3. Next, multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. Now what are the multiples of 9? See, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. 54. Then it is 63. Then 72. Then 81, 90, 99, 108. Okay, 108. So these are the multiples of 9. Now see, this is the list of the first 12 multiples of 3, and this is list of the first 12 multiple of 9 only. List of the first 12 multiples of 9. Now common multiples of 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay, common multiples of 3 and 9. अब ये 3 और 9 ये जो है इनके क्या मल्टीपल है? कॉमन मल्टीपल्स क्या है? कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 and 9. तो सी अगेन इट इज 9, 18, 18. Then it is what? Next 27, 27, 36, 36, 36, 36. So see, again you can write here 9, 18, 27, 36. So these are the common multiples of what? 3 and 9. These are the common multiples of 3 and 9. So here we can write 9, 18, 27, 36. These are the common multiples of 9 and 3 and 9. तो इस तरह में यहाँ पर 3 and 9 के हमें these 4 common multiples मिले हैं. Again, when you will extend this list, again you can get more common multiple of 3 and 9. आपको और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कॉमन मल्टीपल मिल सकते हैं अगर आप इस लिस्ट को एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो. Now see next example. Now see in this example here are 3 numbers 6, 8 and 4. So beta, if there are number are 3 here, 3 number are there, then no need to confuse about it. आपको यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं बेटा. We can find out the common multiple of 3 number also. Same as like the common multiple of 2 numbers. Okay? See. तो पहले क्या करेंगे बेटा हम? First of all we have to find out here. सबसे पहले make the list of the multiples of 6. See, multiple of 6. Multiples of 6. What are the multiple of 6 now? See, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 56, 64. Okay? 56, सॉरी यहां पर 54 होगा बेटा, then 60, 66 and here 72. 72. See, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. These are the first 12 multiple of 6. Now, multiples of 8. Now what are the multiples of 8? अब 8 के multiples क्या है देखिए. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, then 64, 72, then 80, 88, 96. 88, 96 क्या है? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, dash. Okay? Now, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. अब 4 के multiple क्या है देखिए तो 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, then 28, 32, next 32 के बाद 36, 40, 44, 48. Okay? 48. Now these are the multiples 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 and 48. These are the multiples of 4. Now, common multiples of 6, 8 and 4. Common multiples of 6, 8 and 4. अब इसके multiples क्या है common देखिए तो it is 6, see 24, 24, then here 24. Okay? उससे पहले कोई है बेटा नहीं है. Then see 48, here 48, 48. So we can write here 24, 48, dash. Okay? और कोई है आपके पास? देखिए नेक्स्ट कोई कॉमन है क्या इसके बाद? See 72 is here, but here not. It is not here. So when you will extend, you will get 72 also, but now it is not there. So we can write here 24, 48, dash. Okay? So like that, there are the common factor of 6, 8, common multiple of 6, 8 and 4. आपके 6 के, 8 के और 44 की जो लिस्ट बनाई आपने मल्टीपल्स की, उसमें से आपको like that 24, 48, like that some other factor or some other multiples are the common multiples here. Now next, see next example. It is so what is this example? See 10, 15 and 20. Now you have to make the list here. Multiples of 10. First of all, multiples of 10. So see what are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, sorry 110 होगा बेटा याद रहा, 110, 120, okay, 110 and 120. So these are the 12 multiples of 10. These are the 12 multiples of 10. Now multiples of 15. Now multiples of 15. क्या है 15 के multiples? See 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 75 to 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, like that. Okay? So see what are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? These are what? These are the 12 multiples of 15. Now, multiples of 20. Now, what are the multiples of 20? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, and 240. Okay? So, what are these? These are the multiples of 20. Now, common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. Common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. See. Now what is the common multiple of 10, 15 and 20? इनके common multiples क्या होंगे? See. 10 is here but not here, not the other list. 20 is here and here but not in this list. Then 30 is in this both list. It is in both list but not in the list of 20. उसमें नहीं है बेटा. So see 60. 60 is here, here and here. It is in the list of the 3 numbers. All 3 numbers. Then next, see 120, 120 and again here 120. तो क्या लिखेंगे? 60, 120 ऐसे लिखेंगे बेटा. 60 and 120. So we can write here. What we can write? The 10, 15 and 20. So see multiples of 10, 15 and 20 जब लिखेंगे हम तो इन तीनों लिस्ट जो लिस्ट बनाएंगे इस लिस्ट में मल्टीपल 60 and 20 और कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 10, 15 and 20. तो बच्चों इस तरह आज की क्लास में हमने मल्टीपल और कॉमन मल्टीपल्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया बेटा. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही है. आप इस क्वेश्चन को अपने नोटबुक में नोट कर सकते हो. थैंक यू.